you will try and understand. So in that, this particular code, we are just trying to understand and implement it, how you can implement Stream API with the file. So you can read the file like this way, or you can write the file, whatever data, if you are just passing it, or then we can do some other work, right? But we are just trying to implement. So I'm just commenting out here. So this particular file, we are just reading it and we are processing this data. So we have one file is report 19 my NIO. So let's see this particularly report 19 my NIO. Correct. So here we have this file here. This file is contains like that. So here we can write it. Some the data is, let's say, Ashish, comma, salary, we can say 10,000, comma, let's say Pune, comma, technical manager, like this. Something you can just write it, right? Then you can write it some much more. Here you can write another employee details. Let's say James, salary is 20,000. Here it is a developer. Correct. See, here you can say Maria is for 30,000. Let's say Mumbai, it is for database developer. Somewhere we are preparing a record like that. So this file we will read and process through a NIO here. So what we are just doing, we are writing this code is files.line, right? This way you can just write it. Then we can create, just like in other operation, Stream has so many intermediate and that terminal operations. So this is the one of the, so it will print that only that line which is starts with A, or maybe you can say with some like that. So if you will run, so you will see there is a one record is there, which is start with Ashish here. So like this, you can also do some much more operations here. Dot, right? So you can also say how many employees belongs to a Mumbai. So S dot contains. So here you can write it like Pune, right? Dot count. Correct. So how many employees belongs to a Pune? That's the way you can just write it and you can see. So the logic will be available here. As of now, it is saying there is a no particular employees belongs to Pune here. So there is a two people belongs to Pune. I guess P capital. right? Now we will see. So you see two employees belongs to, right? Correct. So in the same way, you can also do some other massaging. You can filter it out or maybe break it down, or then you can write this stream and then if you wanted to collect it, you can also collect it into a different string or somewhere in any list. Collector as a list, then you can just specify like this. So if you want, there is a much more operations are there, right? And you can also use map reduce also. Here you can write as a to list. So this will be nice. So you see, correct? So you don't need to process the file, check all these things. You can perform these operations directly with the stream using an stream and directly data of the file here. Correct. So this way you can write it, and there are many such operations you can write it or you can use it. So you need to go through a little deep insight into a stream. So stream has so much operations here, right? Here you can just say, right, all matches, right? Find any map, limit, iterator, map here, right? So sorting. So what are the things you wanted to do? You can just do it. Correct. This is a simple operation, simple example which we are just seeing it here.